Hey everybody, what is going on and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm back with another Tuesday video for you guys. For anybody who's not familiar, I recently started uploading 2 videos a week. Friday you're always going to get a repair kind of video, whether it's on the Tahoe or the Camaro or racing or something like that. And on Tuesday it's going to be a casual, very poorly kind of edited talking just kind of what's going on video. I actually did just go and pick up some new ramps. I know a lot of you guys have been complaining about my old rusty ramps that I was using to lift this thing up when I did my oil change. So I actually went to Harbor Freight and picked up some ramps. I know what you're probably thinking, Harbor Freight ramps, what the hell am I doing? I also got some jack stands while I was there because I just had the little, I think they're like half a ton or a quarter ton jack stands, and I picked up the heavy duty, I think the 6 tons. Or never mind, these are 3 tons. I don't know why the hell I thought it was a quarter ton. But these are the ones I always use on the Camaro. I have 4 of these. And then the ones I picked up here, the box actually came this way. This is the only one they had left. They had like a President's Day sale going on with a 20% off coupon. So I figured I'd pick up a pair. But you can see here, they are a hell of a lot bigger. And the main reason I got these is because they go up so much taller. These are just way too low for this truck. So I figured I'll pick up a pair of the 6 tons, and then I got a pair of the ramps. Some people might not trust them. These ramps got a hell of a good review on their website. Now, I was initially looking at the Rhino ramps. I always heard, about them, saw them advertised for years, and thought they'd be a good ramp. But after looking on Amazon at the reviews and the pictures, they apparently look really shitty. There were a lot of reports of the Rhino ramps breaking in half. The way they're designed, they kind of have this like weird circle cut in the middle of them, and a lot of them, what I've been seeing, they've been breaking off right at that point. So I wasn't going to go and buy them, especially if I'm lifting this heavy ass truck up. As far as looking for anything else, I couldn't really find anything that was like a good price aside from really heavy duty, like $500 like steel truck ramps for like really heavy duty stuff. This is the only thing I could find that got great reviews that was reasonably priced. But anyway, I pretty much got this stuff because I'm going to be working on the transmission finally on this truck. I'm going to do the transmission hoses in an upcoming video as well as the cooler. So reason why I haven't gotten around to doing it is because I didn't have a way of really lifting the truck up safely. These are the ramps that I've been using. You can see they are pretty sketchy, not only just in construction, but they're pretty narrow, especially when it comes to like driving the Camaro up them. Actually, no, I can't drive the Camaro up them. What I usually do when I do use them as like a ramp, I'll jack the Camaro up from the K-member, and I'll just lower it down on these just to sit the front end on it. And the tire is too wide, it kind of hangs over the sides. These are a good bit wider, and they don't have this lip on the corners, so it'll allow so they should allow the Camaro to get on there no problem. They're also a bit longer. I don't think I'm going to be able to get the Camaro on top of these, like driving them on there, without maybe some kind of planks of wood. I primarily got them to lift this truck up. But let's go unbox these guys and see how they're made. I'm also going to put all the prices of this stuff on the screen and links if you want to pick them up. But with the coupon, and I think I got one of those free like magnetic bolt dishes. With the coupon, with the ramps, and the pair of the 6-ton jack stands, I think I paid like 83 bucks. Alright, they're definitely a bit lower than the steel ones, but they look like they're constructed pretty well. But what do you say we get these things set up and drive this thing on top? See if they make any weird noises, or just completely fail and break in half. You can see when I put them down, and I don't know if this is a problem with people who put the Rhino ramps, but you want to make sure they're flat, because if I put that over that lip there, there's going to be a space under the ramp, and that could cause them to fail. Especially the way the Rhino ramps are designed, where they have that hole in the middle. If you put just that front end by that hole on the edge of a lip and it's open underneath. I could totally see it just splitting in half if you drove over it. But I mean, these seem to be doing really good. I mean, there was no flexing that I really noticed, or no weird crunchy crackling noises. I mean, I'm probably going to put the jack stands under there just for the hell of it, just to you know, place them under there if I'm not working on the back. So lift the front up, slide them under there, hold them against the frame just as a backup. Let's crawl under here, see how much room we have. Yeah, that's pretty, oh yeah, I could definitely work under here. I got a new set of ramps. I got some stronger jack stands. I think I'm ready to go and start working on this thing. Let me know in the comments. Any of you guys pick these ramps up? You have experience with the Rhino ramps? You have any problems with them? You use these ramps in particular? You have any problems with these? Definitely, I would like to know. I mean, I'm going to be under this thing working on it probably a lot with these things. So any feedback you guys have, definitely leave a comment. Once again, I'm going to link all this stuff below. The 6-ton jack stands as well as the 2 Harbor Freight ramps. Don't forget, we got another video coming out on Friday with an actual repair. This is my second video that I'm doing like this. Let me know what you guys think. Once again, you just prefer the Friday video. I figured I could give you guys some more content. I'm always like picking stuff up and doing random crap like this during the week. Even if I'm not working on the truck, I'm probably doing something automotive related like this. So if I have something that week, I'll definitely put a video up on Tuesday, so look out for that. Otherwise, you'll just see the regular video on Friday with an actual mechanical repair, whether it's on this or the Camaro, or maybe some other type of car. Who knows, if I'm doing something for a neighbor or something. I'm always going to try to get you guys a video out on Friday. But if you like this format, definitely leave a comment below and let me know. Now, I think that's going to do it for this video. So if you enjoyed it, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on Friday.